Hi guys, it's Sofie. Welcome back to our channel. So I'm super excited to bring you guys another close-up eye tutorial today, and I did something pretty out of the box and pretty unique for this tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing for this look is priming my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I did already do my brows. I'll link an updated eyebrow tutorial in the description box down below for those of you guys who keep asking how I do my brows. The most recent eyebrow tutorial on my channel is exactly how I still do my brows till this day, so I will link that in the description box. But I pretty much primed my eyelids, set it with some translucent powder, and then for my brow bone, I just went in with my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13. And for today's palette, I'm using my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, and I just went into the big orange transition shade in the palette, and I'm just buffing this into my crease, and I'm kind of winging it outward because we are going to be doing more of a cat eye cut crease for this look. So next I'm going into this dark purple shade in the palette, and I'm just starting to cut my crease with this angled brush, and as you can see, I'm going a little bit above my natural crease. I started in the center of my eyelid and then did the outer and inner corners, and that just helps to get a nice even line. And then I went ahead and went into this transition shade and really buffed out that line, and it just really helps to diffuse the line when you go in left and right motions. I definitely try to keep it pretty low when I first start to blend it out. And then here I'm just going to be building this color up even more. So I went in with some more of that dark maroon shade and this angled brush, and I'm just going over that line. And then to create more of a gradient effect, I just picked up this pencil brush and applied a tiny amount of that maroon shade, and I'm just starting to go in left and right motions, and that just really helped create a gradient effect. And then I'm picking this smudger brush up with the transition shade, and I'm just starting to apply that onto my lash line. I also want to do a smoky lash line for this look and then connect it to the outer wing. And then I just picked up this really defined angled brush, and I'm just starting to apply that as close to the lash line as possible. And then I'm just peeling off the tape here. And for lashes, I'm going to be using my Shop Sofie Bella lashes in the style Jamaica. And I think that these lashes really complemented this look. For my waterline, I went ahead and picked up my Mr.Write liner by The Balm, and I'm just applying that in my waterline. And then for the lower lash line, I'm just going to use the same shades that I used in my crease. So first going into the transition shade with this smudger brush, and then going into the dark purple shade and getting that as close to my lower lash line as possible. And then I also went back into the smudger brush to help me diffuse those colors together. And then for mascara, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then the last thing that I'm going to be doing is applying some Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 to my inner tear duct and also to my brow bone. And then I went ahead and ran my spoolie through some bar soap and then ran that through my brows just to give me a more natural look on my brows. And I've just been loving this lately on my brows. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below to be entered for our monthly giveaways. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!